IFS Labs functions as the technology incubator for IFS, researching the impact new technology has on customer businesses to accelerate the delivery of relevant, innovative technology solutions into the market. One subject we are seeing a lot of interest in is drone technology. Drones provide many potential opportunities for business. Let's have a look at one. Picture this. Sweden is a sparsely populated country, with only 21 people per square kilometer and the vast majority living in larger cities. You are located in a remote woodland, and getting power to rural areas can be difficult and expensive. For the past century, aerial power lines through forested areas have been the norm to reach remote users in these areas. While aerial power lines are easier for suppliers to run and more cost-effective to build, it leaves them exposed and vulnerable to severe weather. If service is interrupted by unexpected outages or downed power lines, suppliers must work quickly to restore power. How do suppliers identify the source of the disruption quickly, safely, and cost-effectively? That's where drone technology comes in. Rather than inspecting the lines using a limited number of expensive helicopters, a larger number of less expensive drones can be deployed from a remote location or control center. IFS Labs has developed a proof of concept where the video that the drone provides as it flies over the power lines is processed in real time, detecting any obstructions such as fallen trees, and sending those IoT observations to IFS Applications. A work order is automatically scheduled and dispatched in the most optimal way, and alerts the technician to go to the repair site. Drones provide many different opportunities and allow businesses to realign resources, gather data, reduce costs, ensure safety, optimize processes, and increase efficiency. This example shows that integrating drone output into business applications can help us move another step towards the intelligent and autonomous business.